Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. These aren't your grandma's bulky cord-tangling vacuums. We're talking about intelligent, sleek machines that navigate your home, picking up dust bunnies like it's their life's mission. We'll be highlighting the top models on the market, discussing both their positives and negatives. Because let's be real, no tech is perfect, but some come pretty darn close. We'll break down their features, performance, and value to help you decide which robot vacuum deserves a spot in your home. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest and greatest, or just want a helping hand around the house, this video has something for you. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the world of robot vacuums. First up, we've got the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, a name synonymous with robot vacuums. This model is often hailed as the king of clean, and for good reason. It's not just a vacuum, it's a smart home device that integrates seamlessly into your daily routine. The S9 Plus is designed to tackle the toughest cleaning jobs with ease. From pet hair to crumbs, it handles it all. This thing is packed with features like their advanced iAdapt 3.0 navigation system. This system uses a suite of sensors to map your home, ensuring that every nook and cranny is covered. It maps your home, learns your furniture layout, and even remembers specific rooms. This means it can clean your living room on Monday and your kitchen on Tuesday, all without you lifting a finger. No more bumping around like a lost tourist. The S9 Plus navigates with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a thorough clean every time. Then there's the suction power. This model boasts 40 times the suction power of previous models, making it incredibly effective at picking up everything from fine dust to larger debris. This thing doesn't mess around. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or tiles, the S9 Plus adapts to different surfaces effortlessly, providing a deep clean every time. It's got 40 times the suction power of previous models, so it's picking up everything from dust bunnies to stray Cheerios. And the best part? It empties itself. The S9 Plus comes with a Clean Base automatic dirt disposal that holds up to 30 bins of dirt. The Clean Base is a game changer. It means you can go weeks without even thinking about emptying it. Talk about convenience. Imagine not having to worry about vacuuming for an entire month. That means you can go weeks without even thinking about emptying it. Talk about convenience. But as with any premium tech, there's a premium price tag. The S9 Plus will set you back a pretty penny. It's an investment, but for many, the convenience and performance are well worth it. The S9 Plus will set you back a pretty penny. And while the software is generally good, some users have reported occasional glitches. These can range from minor navigation issues to connectivity problems with the app. But hey, even the best tech has its quirks, right? The important thing is that iRobot offers excellent customer support to help you troubleshoot any issues. Overall, the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus is a powerhouse of a robot vacuum, perfect for those who want the best of the best and don't mind paying a premium. It's a blend of cutting-edge technology and practical convenience, making it a top choice for modern homes. Next up, we have the Roborock S6 Max 5, a serious contender in the robot vacuum game. This model is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces with ease, from hardwood floors to carpets, ensuring a thorough clean every time. This one's all about intelligence. The Roborock S6 Max 5 is equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that allow it to navigate your home with precision. It uses not one but two cameras for obstacle avoidance, combined with reactive AI technology. This means it can recognize and avoid obstacles in real time, making it one of the smartest vacuums on the market. It can identify and avoid obstacles like shoes, toys, and even pet accidents. This feature is particularly useful for households with kids and pets where unexpected messes are a common occurrence. No more coming home to a robot vacuum stuck on a stray sock. The Roborock S6 Max 5 ensures that your cleaning routine is uninterrupted and efficient. And don't even get me started on the suction power. This vacuum is designed to handle even the toughest dirt and debris. This thing is a beast, boasting 2,500 Pascal of suction power. It's like having a mini tornado for dirt and debris, ensuring that your floors are spotless. Whether it's fine dust or larger particles, the Roborock S6 Max 5 handles it all with ease. Plus, it can even mop your floors. This dual functionality makes it a versatile addition to any home. It has a 297 milliliter water tank and adjustable water flow, so you can customize the mopping to your liking. Whether you need a light clean or a more thorough mop, this vacuum has you covered, so you can customize the mopping to your liking. The adjustable water flow ensures that your floors get the right amount of moisture, preventing any damage to delicate surfaces. But all this tech comes at a price. The Roborock S6 Max V is definitely an investment, but for those who want the best in home cleaning technology, it's worth every penny. The Roborock S6 Max V is definitely an investment. While it may be on the pricier side, the features and performance it offers make it a worthwhile purchase. And while the dual camera system is impressive, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues. This is something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on smart home integration. Some users have reported occasional connectivity issues. However, these are generally minor and do not significantly impact the overall performance of the vacuum. But overall, the Roborock S6 Max V is an incredibly intelligent and powerful robot vacuum, perfect for those who want it all. Its combination of advanced technology, powerful suction, and mopping capabilities make it a standout choice, perfect for those who want it all. If you're looking for a high-end robot vacuum that can handle everything from vacuuming to mopping, the Roborock S6 Max V is definitely worth considering. Now, not everyone needs all the bells and whistles. Sometimes all you need is a reliable machine that can handle the basics without any fuss. Some people just want a solid, reliable robot vacuum that gets the job done without breaking the bank. They don't need fancy features or high-tech gadgets, just something that works. That's where the Eufy RoboVac 11S comes in. This model is designed for those who prioritize value and efficiency over luxury. This thing is all about value. It offers a lot of functionality for a fraction of the price of some of the more high-end models. It's incredibly affordable, especially compared to some of the other models we've looked at. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this one. But don't let the price fool you, this little guy can clean. It may be budget-friendly, but it doesn't skimp on performance. It has a slim design, only 2.85 inches tall, so it can easily slide under furniture. This makes it perfect for getting those hard-to-reach spots that other vacuums might miss. And it's surprisingly quiet, too. You won't have to worry about it disturbing your peace and quiet. You can easily watch TV or have a conversation while it's cleaning. Now, it's not perfect. There are a few trade-offs to consider. It doesn't have the advanced navigation of the Roomba or the Roborock. This means it might take a bit longer to clean a room as it navigates in a more random pattern. It relies on a basic bounce navigation system, which can be a bit random. Sometimes it might bump into objects or miss a spot, but it eventually gets the job done. And the suction power, while decent, isn't as strong as some of the premium models. It's good enough for everyday cleaning, but it might struggle with heavier debris. But for the price, the Eufy RoboVac 11S is an excellent option for those who want a simple, effective, and affordable robot vacuum. It offers great value and gets the job done without any unnecessary frills. Let's talk about the Neato BotVac D7, a robot vacuum that's all about precision. This one stands out with its unique D-shaped design. Unlike the traditional round robots, the D-shape allows the D7 to get right into corners and edges, leaving no dust bunny behind. And it's not just about the shape. The D7 packs serious suction power, easily picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. Plus, it uses laser-smart technology to create detailed maps of your home, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning. It even lets you set up no-go lines in the app so you can block off areas you don't want the vacuum to go. But, you guessed it, all this tech comes at a price. The Neato BotVac D7 is definitely a premium option, and while the app is generally well-designed, some users have reported occasional connectivity issues and bugs. But overall, the Neato BotVac D7 is a top-of-the-line robot vacuum that excels at corner cleaning and offers precise navigation. Last but not least, we have the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL, a robot vacuum that's all about convenience. Like the Roomba S9 Plus, this one comes with a self-emptying base, holding up to a whopping 45 days worth of dirt and debris. That's right, you can literally set it and forget it for weeks. And it's not just about convenience. The Shark IQ boasts powerful suction, easily handling everything from fine dust to larger debris. It also uses smart mapping to learn your home's layout and clean efficiently. You can even schedule cleanings and target specific rooms using the app. However, no robot vacuum is perfect. The Shark IQ can be a bit noisy, especially when it's emptying its dustbin. and while the navigation is generally good, some users have reported occasional issues with the robot getting stuck or lost. But overall, the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL is a solid choice for those who prioritize convenience and powerful cleaning performance. There you have it, folks. The top robot vacuums on the market today. From the self-emptying convenience of the Roomba S9 Plus and Shark IQ to the intelligent navigation of the Roborock S6 Max V and Neato BotVac D7, there's a robot vacuum out there for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. We're always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Let us know in the comments which robot vacuum you're most excited about. Are you Team Roomba, Team Roborock, or Team Eufy? Let's start a conversation in the comments below.